How to connect Streamlabs to OBS. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open Streamlabs, and then you're gonna have to simply go to your widgets. So let's say you want to set up this alert box. So all you have to do is simply click on copy. So here copy widget URL, and then simply open OBS. Now OBS is gonna look something similar to Streamlabs. So the interface is similar. So all you have to do is simply click on the plus button to add a URL, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to general, and then here you're gonna have to simply click on browser source and click on add source, and then simply paste the URL link from Streamlabs into OBS, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.